This is International English Language Testing System powered by IDP to assess the level of speaking of students. This is examiner Arvinder Singh with candidate Savita, candidate number 110869. Okay, please Savita, so first of all, please introduce yourself.
I am Savita. I am from Rajpura, which is very beautiful town, which is located between Chandigarh and Patiala.
Okay, tell me something more about your hometown.
My hometown is always in apple pie order. All amenities are available here, from sports, education, and other kinds of healthcare system as well.
Okay, what kind of people live in your hometown?
India is a diverse country, and in my hometown, all type of people are live here, from Sikh, Hindu, and many more.
Okay. Is there any place worth seeing in your hometown?
No, I haven't seen in my life the same place as I live here.
Okay. What do you like the most in your hometown?
I like the all types of facilities which are provided by the higher authority to my hometown. But one of the major amenities which I like the most is at the stone's throw away there is a town which I like the most.
And what changes you have observed in your hometown over the past few years?
Actually, past few years in my hometown there was no any drainage system. So I complained the bureaucracy in order to solve this problem. So after that higher authority managed all sorts of problems. Now I enjoyed a lot.
Okay, let's talk about your daily routine. Do you like your daily routine?
Definitely, I am very fond of to make my daily routine, and my guardians always teach me that I should make my daily routine on the daily basis, because it is not helpful for me but my body also.
Okay. What changes you would like to make in your routine?
As my daily routine is going very well, and I do not think that I have to make my daily routine some changes, so I do not like some changes in my daily routine.
Okay, which activity you enjoy the most throughout your day?
Pardon please?
Which activity you enjoy the most throughout the day?
Throughout the day, I wake up early in the morning and I go for a walk, which is very important for me, because as I have read in the newspaper that nowadays COVID-19 is going on and that we should maintain our health and cardiovascular system very well. So I like the most this activity.
How we can make every day special?
According to my point of view, if a person have a good schedule in order to make their life more brighter, so that he or she should make daily basis on their daily routine, as well as he also focused on the daily maintained schedule.
Okay. Tell me a strength of yours and a weakness.
As I am very strong to do concentration whenever I do my study. I can feel more comfortable, because at that time I prefer me to more encourage me to do study as well. So it is my best strength. Whereas in my weakness, I cannot study. I cannot focus on two distinct topics. So that is my weakness.
Okay. Have you done anything to increase your concentration?
No, I haven't practiced yet, but in future I am more concentrating. I am more concentrating on my work.
All right. Okay. Let's head towards cue card. Okay. Your cue card is you have to talk about a piece of equipment that is important in your home. Which equipment or device it is, for what purpose it is used, and why it is important. Right? You have 1 minute to prepare for it, and you have to deliver it for 2 minutes. Your time starts now.
no shadow of doubt that in every house there is a different equipment, but here I am going to talk about one such equipment which I like the most, and it, according to my point of view, it is very important for my family members too, because the equipment name is actually television. It was launched at 2 years ago. Actually I was went over the moon because I had never seen such technological equipment in my life. When I bought such equipment 2 years ago, I felt over the moon because all sorts of amenities are available in the television, as I used for weather forecast and entertain myself. On the other hand, my grandparents prefer to watch some yoga classes, and there are number of varieties of channels are available from yoga classes, news and other weather forecast. Furthermore, my parents, my mother prefer to use this equipment for their household chores, as there are some kitchen channels are also available there. So that is the equipment which I like the most. Actually, recently when I watched this one of the channel which is related to the weather forecast, when and I have to make some plan for me. So when I watched this weather forecast, I felt on cloud 9, because on that time the weather forecast was very cloudy, and when I watched this weather forecast on the television, I maintained the proper guidance and also told my kith and kin as well.
Okay. What type of TV programs are popular in your country?
In my country, there are number of TV programs are available, such as it totally depends upon the youngsters. Such as nowadays, mostly youngsters prefer to watch TV to entertain themselves, such as they prefer to watch for cartoons and many other kinds of things. On the other hand, elderly ones prefer to watch some yoga classes. So,
okay. Do you think should we allow children to watch TV daily?
Pardon please?
Should we allow children to watch TV daily?
According to my point of view, it is very necessary to watch TV for children, because if they watch TV, they gain some information regarding the education, healthcare system, and also in this modern approach, mostly children are facing the problem of stress as the higher level of education is going on. So they should prefer to watch TV according to my point of view 2 to 3 hours rather than on daily basis.
Okay. Apart from television, what kind of machines are used for household work in the modern houses?
In this modern technological world, there are number of equipment are available in each houses, but there are some few equipment that are mostly used on daily basis, such as washing machine, stitching machine, and also many more kinds of machines.
Okay, how these machines benefit people?
There are number of benefits in order to use this machine. The first and foremost is that if I can example through the washing machine, it can save our time, and a person could not able to do more hard work as well.
Okay. So what are the negative effects of using such machines?
There are some downside as well. Firstly, a person completely dependent on it, and they are not able to do their more 100%, such as they become obese, lazy, and many more kinds of problems can be.
Okay. Do you think future houses will be equipped with such machines?
Definitely, there is no shadow of doubt. In future, a person can see a number of technological equipment in each houses, because in this modern approach, in every country is growing day by day, and they are inventing the new type of equipment.
All right.